Take 3,004,072. Bike number 2 controller. Bike number 2 main wiring harness. All works. Everything plugged in except for blue, which is the horn and turn signal switch. We've got controller 1 from the original bike. We turn this on. Grab our unit here to turn it on. When we turn it on, oh, right away, pass 1. I know it's going to air. These bikes start in pass 0. And there we go, air 10 without touching anything. Sorry I'm slow in getting these videos to you guys. It was Labor Day weekend here in the United States and 3-day weekend, and I've been away from these bikes. Just getting home now. It's been a sucky summer without these bikes, and now I'm coming into hunting season and I still don't have any bike. I think the harness is shorted. Again, I'm going to say this one more time. The main line has a crossed wire someplace. It's shorting out something on the board, popping a diode. I'm not sure the circuitry of the board, but something's popping on the board because this is the bike 2 controller. And bike 1 was the original problem. All of these controllers, the one you sent me and bike 1, will do the same thing every time now. Doesn't matter which bike.